Good evening, students. Welcome back to Google Class. Today I am going to discuss Indian Penal Code, Section 304B. Section 304B of IPC, Dowry Death. Section 304B, subclass 1, explain. 304 subclass 1 explain where the death of a woman is caused by any burns or bodily injury or occurs otherwise than under normal circumstances within 7 years of her marriage, and it is shown that soon before her death she was subjected to cruelty or harassment by her husband or any relative of her husband for or in connection with any demand for dowry, such death shall be called dowry death, and such husband or relative shall be deemed to have caused her death. Okay. 304 this explanation for the purpose of this subsection dowry shall have the same meaning in section 2 of the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961 also, that separate act, state act. Okay. And 304 subclass 2 explain about where commits dowry death shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 7 years jail. Okay, 7 years imprisonment, but which may extend to imprisonment for life imprisonment. Okay. The above provision was inserted by Act 43 of 1986 and came into force 19th November 1986. The necessity for insertion of the provisions has been amply analyzed by the Law Commission of India in 21st report dated 10th August 1988 on dowry deaths and law reform. Keeping in view the impediment in the pre-existing law in securing evidence to prove dowry related deaths, legislature thought it wise to insert a provision relating to presumption of dowry death, section under 13B Evidence Act, on proof of certain essentials. Now it's clear. So the main object both of section 304B Indian Penal Code and section 113B Evidence Act were inserted by the Dowry Prohibition Amendment Act 1986 for combating the menace of dowry killings. The attempt was to encounter difficulties of proof by creating a presumption. This section 304 of Act's ingredients. The one main case, Shanti vs State of Haryana, came before Supreme Court. That time judges took guidelines based on these cases and explained the ingredients of section 304B. K. Jayendra Reddy said that a careful analysis of section 304B shows that this section has following essentials. Number 1, the death of a woman would be caused by burns or bodily injury or otherwise than under normal circumstances. Number 2, such death should have occurred within 7 years of her marriage. Number 3, she must have been subjected to cruelty or harassment by her husband or any relative of her husband soon before her death. Fourth point, such cruelty or harassment should be for or in connection with demand for dowry. Okay, this section will apply whenever the occurrence of death is preceded by cruelty or harassment by husband or in-laws for dowry and death occurs in unnatural circumstances. The intention behind the section is to fasten guilt on the husband or in-laws, though they did not in fact cause the death. To establish of offence of dowry death under section 304 of IPC, the prosecution has to prove beyond reasonable doubt that the husband or his relative had subjected to disease, to cruelty or harassment in connection with the demand of dowry soon before her death. Okay, this is what's explained section 304B. Okay, this is enough for explanation. I will explain case studies and other example next video class. Okay, student, read properly. Okay, memorize all the sections. See you again. Bye.